देखो लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था कि लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, कि जहां पर सिर्फ एक वेरिएबल था, है ना। अभी इस चैप्टर में हम देखेंगे कि लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, कि जिसमें दो वेरिएबल्स होंगे, तो उनके सॉल्व करने के जो मेथड्स है वो हम ये इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे, है ना। व्हाट वी विल सी हियर, इन द अर्लियर क्लासेस you have studied linear equation in one variable. Okay, so you can write down a linear equation in one variable. You may say that x plus 1 is equal to 0, or you can also say that x plus root 2 is equal to 0, or you can also say that root 2y plus root 3 is equal to 0. So these are the examples of linear equation in one variable. You also know that such equations have unique means what? One and only one solution, means you can get value of that variable is one single value. But you may also remember how to represent the solution on number line. आपको पता है कि वो जो सॉल्यूशन होता है उसको नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें, है ना। जैसे कि हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में देखा था कि हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट अ पॉइंट। एक प्लेन सरफेस पे जो पॉइंट होता है हम टू पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन में उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हमने देखा है हाउ टू लोकेट अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट। तो वहां पर x, y इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ x, y हम उस वेरिएबल का जो सॉल्यूशन होता है तो उसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। यहाँ पर देखिए इन दिस चैप्टर द नॉलेज ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल शैल बी रिकॉल्ड। सेम नॉलेज वी विल रिकॉल एंड एक्सटेंडेड टू दैट ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स, और उसको हम टू वेरिएबल्स में एक्सटेंड करेंगे। यू विल कंसिडरिंग क्वेश्चंस लाइक डज द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स हैव सॉल्यूशन, तो उसका आंसर है यस। बट इज इट यूनिक? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा इसमें कि वो एक ही होगा। डज द सॉल्यूशन लुक लाइक कार्टेशियन प्लेन? कार्टेशियन प्लेन में जैसे हमें सॉल्यूशन मिला वैसे सॉल्यूशन है। So you shall also use the concept you studied in the chapter number 3. Okay, so let us see what are the solutions of linear equation in two variables. जैसे कि यहाँ पर देखो एक एग्जांपल दिया है, yes, just revise linear equation in one variable में। देखिए सपोज ये जो इक्वेशन है x plus 5 is equal to 0, ये linear equation है वन वेरिएबल में। देखो 5 को ट्रांसपोज किया, it will be -5. Then 2 and x multiplication is there, divide both side by 2. Here you will get x, here you will get -5 upon 2. So where is -5 upon 2? Here the position of -5 upon 2, because 2 2s are 4 and 1 point 2 5s are 10. So 2.5 means -5 upon 2. So here the location between this 2 and -3, because that value is minus, तो उसका पोजीशन होगा यहाँ पर। तो ये जो लीनियर इक्वेशन होता है उसका आंसर सिंगल आता है ना, तो उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं नंबर लाइन के ऊपर। बट हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स? While solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. The solution of linear equation is not affected when the same number is added or subtracted from both sides of equation. देखो हमने जो बैलेंस मेथड देखा था, बैलेंस मेथड में दोनों साइड LHS साइड में और RHS साइड में जो हम सेम ऑपरेशन करते हैं, जैसे कि सेम वैल्यू एडिशन और सेम वैल्यू का सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो वहां पर इक्वेशन में कुछ भी चेंज होता है क्या? देयर विल बी नो चेंज। जैसे कि यू मल्टीप्लाई और यू डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स ऑफ इक्वेशन बाय द सेम नॉन जीरो नंबर, so there is no change. Okay, you understand that there will be no change whenever you are doing same operation on both sides. Let us now consider the following situation. In one day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Express the following, express this information in the form of an equation. Now look here, both the variables are different, India and Sri Lanka, but how much they score? It is given that together they score 176 runs, but we also don't know how much India score and how much Sri Lanka score. So here we can say that score of neither of them is known. Okay, we don't know. So there are two unknown quantities. How many quantities? Two unknown quantities. So let us, we can say, denote by variable, suppose variable x and variable y. Okay, so the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x, and the run of the scored by other, we can say it is by y. So we can represent in this format: x plus y is equal to 76. Understand? So this is called as linear equation in two variable, because power of this equation is 1, because you know that degree of this polynomial is 1. That's why we can say it is linear equation in two variables. So this is an example of linear equation in two variables. It is customary to denote the variables in such equation by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Means it is not compulsion that we only use x and y. You can use any alphabets. Okay, any alphabets you can use. Small letters of A to Z letters you can use. Like here, one of the example is given: 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5. P plus 4q is equal to 7. Pi u plus 5v is equal to 9. And 3 is equal to root 2x minus 7y. So all these are examples where we used two variables. Okay. So note that you can put this equation in the form 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equal to 0. Means here we can make that right side 0. What? We can make that right hand side is equal to 0. Suppose this equation is given now. So we can rewrite this equation again: x plus y minus 176. Means minus value we will take here, and is equal to 0 we can take here. X plus y minus 176 is equal to 0. So any equation can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where we can say a, b, and c are real numbers. A, B, C, and are real numbers. So A and B are not both zeros. It's called as linear equation. What is the condition of this linear equation in two variables? That A and B should not be 0. We should use non-zero quantities. So this means that you think of many such equations. Okay. So here example 1, it is given that write each of the following equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Means in this standard form of linear equation, we have to rewrite this number. Now look here, how we can rewrite this number. Look, we will solve that example. Look here, this first example we will take. Look here, in this example, if we transpose this value over here, it will be minus. So 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0 after rewriting this. But our standard form, what is our standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Okay. So again, we have to rewrite in this format: 2x plus 3y plus into bracket minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So you can compare this with this standard form. So you can get value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to 3, and value of c is equal to minus
4.37.
4.37. Same as we can compare this second example: x minus 4 is equal to root 3y. Okay, so transpose this, so it will be x minus 4 minus root 3y is equal to 0. It is plus. When we transpose, that time it will be minus. So look here, x minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then what we can say, we have to rewrite in this format, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, but here it is minus. So keep minus sign inside the bracket. So it is x plus into bracket minus root 3. Here it is y plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Now it is very much easy to compare. Here we can say 1. So it is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus root 3, and c is equal to minus 4. Understand how to solve these types of examples?
Yes, sir.
Third example, look here, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. Then how we can solve this example? Just change the side. LHS become RHS and RHS become LHS. Okay, now look, transpose this 4 over here. So 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, then 5x plus into bracket minus 3y plus into bracket minus 4 is equal to 0. Now compare with this, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, standard form. This is the standard form. When you compare, after comparing, you just get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 4. Understand how to solve?
Yes, sir.
And this last, 2x is equal to y. So we can compare this, 2x minus y is equal to 0. Now we can rewrite like this, 2x plus minus 1y plus 0 is equal to 0. Y plus 0, because here there is no value of c. Okay, now look here, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? So here we can say a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 0. Okay, because no value here, constant value. So we can add this plus 0. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Rewrite following as a, how to solve. Okay, now look, we have to write in a equation format where there are two variables. Now see this first example. In this first example, x is equal to minus 5, it is given. Okay. So in two variables format, how we can write? What is the equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Am I right? In this standard form, what we have?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the screen is not visible.
Not visible. Okay. Now look, it is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Now see what it is given part. Here is given x is equal to minus 5. Actually, this is an equation. This is the given equation. What? This is the given equation. and we have to convert this equation into this format. Now, which are the missing term? Look here. Here, missing terms are b, y, and plus c. Okay, here missing terms you can say it is by plus c. So we can write, we can rewrite like this: 1x plus 0y, 0 into y plus 0 is equal to minus 5. Okay, these are the missing terms. We just add plus 0y. 0 into y means 0. Whenever we are multiplying any value by 0, what we are getting? 0. अंडरस्टैंड हो रहा है आपको? सेकंड एग्जांपल देखो, सेकंड एग्जांपल क्या है? y इज इक्वल टू 2. कंपेयर करो, देखो यहाँ पर ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. आपका यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 2 आ रहा है. आप इस माइनस वैल्यू को यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोज करना भूल गए ना. 1x प्लस 0 इंटू वाई minus 5 will becomes plus 5. Plus 5 is equal to 0. ओके, तो यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. पर आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछा गया कि वैल्यूज ऑफ a, b and c. Only you want to say that convert equation in two variable format. So it is the equation in the two variable format. 1x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now how to convert this? Look here, this term it is missing, so we can say 0 into x plus by, so we can say 1 into y, okay, plus c actually here it is given now, so we can rewrite like this: y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, y minus 2 is equal to 0. When we transpose this, it will be minus. It is plus. When we transpose that time, it will be minus. So obviously what we can say, plus into bracket minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is an equation in the two variable format. 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. Simply we can say 0 into x plus 1 into y plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Third example, 2x is equal to 3. How we can solve? Transpose this 3 over here. It will be like this: 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Which is the missing term? Y. Okay, so look here: 2x plus 0 y plus into bracket minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is your answer. This is the equation in the two variable format. Understand? Look here, these are the answers. Understand now? Now let us solve exercise 4.1. See, this question number 1 will solve here. Okay, pay attention. What is the question number 1? Okay, see, it is given in question number 1 that the cost of a notebook is twice. Condition it is given. I'm just reading the question. The cost of notebook. Cost of notebook is means equal to is twice cost of पेन. ये कंडीशन गिवन है. देखो यहाँ पर जैसे ही मैंने क्वेश्चन लिखा, यहाँ पर मैंने कंडीशन लिखा. ठीक है. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी उन्होंने हिंट दिया हुआ है कि कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक कंसिडर x. सपोज आपने यहाँ पे कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक कंसिडर किया x, यहाँ पर कंडीशन है 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन क्या है y. तो क्या आपका इक्वेशन, ये देखो x इज इक्वल टू 2y, यू गेट दिस इक्वेशन. इस इक्वेशन को लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल के फॉर्मेट में कैसे लिखोगे आप, ये देखो x minus 2y, when we transpose that it will be minus x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is linear equation in two variable format. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Then next question we will see. Question number 2. Okay, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Is format. Already we solved that examples. Look here, first example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. 5 bar means 5 is repeating. So 2x plus 3y, transpose this, it will be minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Okay, we want format ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. So look here, 2x plus 3y plus minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Therefore we can say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Now example number second, x minus y upon 5, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Now here, this is our standard form. We have to compare. Look here, x plus, here this value will be like this, minus 1 upon 5 into y plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we can say 1 into x. Okay, when we compare ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that time we are getting this, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 upon 5, and c is equal to minus 10. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Remaining questions are very much easy. Here we can transpose this, so it will be minus 6. So a value of a we can say minus 2, value of b 3, and value of c minus 6. Here x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. So what we can say, keep this value inside the bracket. So we can say value of a 1, value of b minus 3, and value of c 0. Here 2x plus minus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. Value of a 2, value of b minus.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Sir, in question number 5, minus 5 will become plus 5y, right?
Yes, right. Plus 5 plus 2x minus 5y. So when we transpose, that will be plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 0. These remaining questions, try to solve yourself. Very much easy. This is again easy. Look at 2x is equal to 5. Change the side. So 2x plus 0y plus plus with not, it will be minus, plus into bracket minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus value we will keep inside the bracket. So here we can say A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to -5. Understand? Here in question number 7, it is given y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here A is missing. So 0 into x plus 1y plus into bracket -2 is equal to 0. We can say A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to -2. In this way, we can solve these examples. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Try to solve yourself. If any problem, then tomorrow we'll see. Now, next concept, that solution of a linear equation means how we can find solution of this linear equation. Okay, you have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution because it is unique. Okay, only one variable is there. That's why we are getting only one solution. So what can you say about the solution of linear equation involving two variables? What is your thing, that it will be 1 or it will be 2? Yes, obviously it will be 2. Okay, value of x also and value of y also. So we get two values, pair of values. Means we get two solutions. Okay, we get two solutions of this equation. Like here it is given example 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So when we put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, that time when we put value, look here, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, so here we are getting two values. The solution is written as order pair 3, 2. Means previously we solved that examples in two piece of information x, y. Same as here also we can put this information in this sequence. Okay, so first write in the value of x and then value of y, like alphabetical order, whatever the order of alphabets. Understand? So this is called as solution of the equation. In other hand, 1, 4 is not a solution of this 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, because on putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, you get 12. You will not get 12, which is the solution of equation. Look here, put here 1 and 4. So we can say 2 1s are 2. And when you put 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So 12 plus 1, it is 13. How much it is coming? 13. And here it is given 12. So by putting value of this x and y, we are not getting 12. Again, here it is given that if we put 0 and 4, look here, 0 and 4. So we can say here 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. And 3 multiplied by 4, 3 4s are 12. But it is also not. Why it is also not? Because when we say definition of linear equation in two variables, that time what we are saying, that value of that a and b should not be 0. ओके, देखो यहाँ पर ये जो आंसर है हो सकता है 0, 4 is a solution, but 4, 0 should not be that solution. Why? Because when you put here 4, 4 2s are 8, it is coming 8, and here it is 12. So 4, 0 should not be, will be not that solution. पर यहाँ पर अगर आपने 0 पुट किया, वैल्यू ऑफ x 0 पुट किया, तो यहाँ पर वैल्यू ऑफ y अगर आपने 4 पुट किया तो कितना आ रहा है आंसर? 12. So we can say this 0, 4 will be a solution of this equation. Understand?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understood that upside page.
Simple है देखो. I am explaining. Suppose आपको पता है कि linear equation जैसे कि x plus 5 is equal to 12, ये है आपका linear equation. in one variable, राइट है। इस इक्वेशन को आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो बैलेंस मेथड, ट्रांसपोज मेथड से। s is equal to 12 minus 5. So value of x you are getting how much? Tell me how much?
7.
7. So you get unique solution. What you are getting? Unique solution means one value. Means what? You are getting one value of this equation. आप इस वैल्यू को पुट करने के बाद में आपको इक्वेशन की वैल्यू मिलती है, जैसे कि पुट हियर वैल्यू ऑफ x, सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन, आपने वैल्यू पुट किया यहाँ पर 7, 7 plus 5 कितना हुआ 12. So by putting this one value you can get the solution. Okay, सपोज आपने यहाँ पे अगर पुट किया x is equal to 0, 0 plus 5, 5 is not equal to 12 ना, so this is not solution. दिस वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद में आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलता है, दोनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल होती है, उसे हम बोलते हैं सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपके पास इक्वेशन होगा 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी ये जो एग्जांपल है ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वेरिएबल्स कौन कौन से हैं, वेरिएबल x एंड वेरिएबल y, दो वेरिएबल्स है, बराबर है। मतलब सॉल्यूशन भी कितने होंगे, solutions also we can say these are two solutions. How many solutions? Two solutions. One will be x and one will be y. तो यहाँ पर x और y की कौन सी वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद में 12 आ सकता है, जैसे कि सपोज आपने 1 पुट किया, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, तो क्या मिलता है आपको 2 multiply by 1, 3 multiply by 1, कितना आता है आंसर 2 plus 3 5 and 5 is not equal to 12. तो ये सॉल्यूशन होगा क्या,
X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2.
x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2.
2.
Okay, x is equal to 3. Suppose 2 multiplied by 3 and here 3 multiplied by 2. Now look here, 3 2s are 6 and here it is 6. 6 plus 6 12 and 12 is equal to 12. So we can say this is the solution. So these two values are the solution of this linear equation in two variables. Again, you can find so many values. It is not like that there is a unique solution. Infinitely many values you can find. आप बहुत सी अलग अलग वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, x और y की जो वैल्यूज होती है वो अलग अलग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं।
So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0.
x is equal to 6 and y is equal to
0.
yes, very good, ये देखो
Sir, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to
हाँ
4.
मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया कि आपको जो सॉल्यूशंस होगा वो एक यूनिक नहीं मिलेगा, आपको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मिल रहा है, x और y की पर्टिकुलरली वन वैल्यू मिल रही है आपको, नो वैल्यूज आर गोइंग टू चेंज, मतलब इनफाइनाइटली मैनी वैल्यूज यू कैन गेट, ऐसा कुछ पर्टिकुलर है नहीं है कि सिर्फ 3 और 2 आएगा, समटाइम्स 6 और 0 भी आ सकता है, या फिर वैल्यू ऑफ x 0 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ y 6 ये भी आ सकता है ना।
Sir, value of y will be 4.
So value of y will be 4. Yes,
4
sir.
okay 4 okay, so it depends upon the value which we are choosing, by that we can get the solution. Okay, now you understand.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
But suppose if it is given that suppose this is the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, if I will say that one value you have, अगर आपके पास एक वैल्यू गिवन होगी जैसे कि x is equal to suppose 2, then what is the value of y, तो यहाँ पर आप वैल्यू ऑफ y फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, है ना, पुट so 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3y is equal to 12. Look कैसे आएगा, 2 2s are 4 plus 3y is equal to 12, then 3y is equal to 12 minus 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, so it will be 3y is equal to how much? 8.
8.
So y is equal to 8 upon 3.
8 upon 3.
In this way you can get values. If you know one value of this variable, you can find the value of another variable. अगर आपको एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू पता होगी तो आप अनदर वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, ऐसा समझ में। पर आपको यहाँ पर एक कंडीशन समझ में आई कि लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स हैज इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस। उसके कितने सॉल्यूशन हो सकते हैं? देयर विल बी मैनी सॉल्यूशंस। आप पर्टिकुलरली एक वैल्यू को बोल नहीं सकते हो कि आपका सॉल्यूशन ये होगा। जैसे कि हमने एग्जांपल देखा ना प्रीवियसली हमने एग्जांपल्स देखे, जैसे वैल्यूज अलग अलग आपने पुट किया 3 2, आपने पुट किया 6 0 0 4। तो आपके सॉल्यूशन जितना आप वैल्यू ऑफ x की पुट करोगे अलग अलग, उतनी आपको वैल्यू ऑफ y भी अलग अलग मिलेगी। जैसे कि सपोज आपने ये एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया कि जहां पर आपने एक वैल्यू पुट किया तो आपको सेकंड वैल्यू मिल रही है, आया समझ में। अगर आपने वैल्यू ऑफ x पुट किया तो आपको वैल्यू ऑफ y कितनी मिलेगी? अलग अलग मिलेगी। आप कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो। x की वैल्यू आप जो नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज है माइनस प्लस infinitely many values we can place of x and then infinitely many solutions we can get of y। अंडरस्टैंड हो रहा है आपको? आप x की वैल्यू ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि आपने सिर्फ 2 पुट किया, आप कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हो वैल्यू, तो आपको y की वैल्यू भी उसी फॉर्मेट में मिलेगी। अंडरस्टैंड हो रहा है आपको? In short,
Yes,
what we
sir.
can say, we can get infinitely many solutions. Example number 3 यहाँ पर given है, देखो। Find 4 different solutions of linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 6। यहाँ पर देखो आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि यहाँ पर क्या पुट करने के बाद में 6 आ सकता है?
Sir, x is equal to 0
Sir, x is
and
equal to 0 and y is equal to 3.
x is equal to
0 and
Zero.
y is equal to 3.
3 2
Yes.
तो भी आपको मिलता है 6।
And sir, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to
Y is
0.
equal to 0.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
अलग अलग वैल्यूज आपको मिल रही है। पर आपको सपोज ये अगर सॉल्व करना होगा, डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशन चाहिए ना आपको। x plus 2y is equal to 6, x plus 2y is equal to 6। तो आपको सॉल्यूशंस कैसे मिलेंगे? जैसे कि लेट x is equal to 1, then we have to find value of y। Then what is the value of y? So put 1 plus 2y is equal to 6. We can say 2y is equal to 6 minus 1. So 2y is equal to 5. Then we can say y is equal to 5 upon, तो आपको
2.
दो वैल्यूज मिली, देखो x, y। आपने पुट किया था 1 एंड यू कैन गेट 5 अपॉन। तो आप x की कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो। जैसे कि आपने 4 अलग अलग वैल्यूज पुट किया, आपको 4 सॉल्यूशंस उस फॉर्मेट में मिलेंगे। अंडरस्टैंड हुआ आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये एग्जांपल्स?
Yes, sir.
So in this way we can get the solutions.
सर हम डायरेक्टली नहीं लिख सकते आंसर विदाउट सॉल्विंग?
लिख सकते हैं पर वो कंफर्म नहीं होगा ना, आपको ट्रायल करना पड़ेगा ना। Okay, I'm ending the meeting. Join another meeting.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.